Now, I'm always amazed at how many SEOs are unfamiliar with Google Trends. Maybe that's you, maybe it's not. But Trends is an awesome addition to other keyword research tools, and we often use it in our workshops as the first step to doing keyword research when we're training people. Trends is unique when it comes to Google research tools for SEO because it allows you to see trends over a fairly long period of time. There's data in there going back to 2004, and you can set it for whatever window of time you want. Join us at our next webinar. I'll put Trends through its paces and show you how you can use it to add unbeatable insights to your keyword research and your SEO strategy. Now, this is information that's normally part of a paid workshop, but we're giving it away for free on one of our webinar Wednesdays, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Go to searchengineacademy.com/webinars and sign up for this webinar for free. Do it today before you forget.